Let's get started. So first of all, I want to greet everybody a happy new year, happy 2022. So starting off with a clean face, I'm going to apply this Real Kill sunscreen with makeup base and the e.l.f. Putty primer to prime and prep my face. And I'm going to color correct on the areas where I needed it the most. Dun sa areas na may mga darkness ako, such as my under eye bags, the sides of my lips as well. And I'm going to use this Squad Cosmetics multi-purpose cream in the shade Blithe, since this is an orange shade or corally shade, which is perfect for color correcting. Then to prep my lips, I'm going to use this Detail Makeover Jelly Lip Plumper, and this will help in making your lips look fuller and plump. And to add glow to my face before I apply foundation, I'm going to apply this Color It Cosmetics Shimmer Tint in Yellow Diamond. Before blending that, I'm going to add my foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. If you guys are looking for a long-lasting foundation which looks good and has high coverage, I highly recommend this one. As you can see, mas maputi yung shade sa usual skin tone ko, but that's okay. I usually go for lighter shades of foundation since acidic ako and foundations tend to oxidize on me. So later on naman, magmamatch na yan sa skin tone ko. So I look like a ghost, but I'm going to fully blend that using my sponge para mawala yung brush streaks. And to conceal and highlight, I'm using this Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Radiance Tint and apply that on my under eyes, on the sides of my nose, and on the sides of my lips as well. And I'm going to blend that using my brush and also my sponge. This concealer is also good. It has high coverage, but if you have dry skin, make sure to hydrate your face before applying this concealer since drying nga siya. Then I'm going to use my Squad Cosmetics multi-purpose cream again in a different shade, which is Beige, to contour my face. I actually bought this product during the Detail Cosmetics clearance sale, and ito yung pinaka-favorite kong product na nabili ko sa kanila, so you have to try this one. And for blush, I'm going to use this Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Multi-Use Creamy Tint in the shade Fruit Tea. I really love this shade, and this product is so blendable, by the way, guys. And to set all the creams in place, I'm going to use the cult fave Nichido Loose Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. I used to love this powder before, guys, but I don't know why I stopped using it. But recently, dumaan ako sa department store and I decided to buy this again, and it's still good. The shadow that I'm using is the Detail Makeover Sunset Dream Eyeshadow Palette, and I got this during their Christmas clearance sale as well. And I really love this palette because it's highly pigmented. So the first shade that I'm going to use is just a brown shade from this palette, and I just apply that all over my crease. And I decided to go for a purple eyeshadow look since that's the color of the year. So I just get a purple eyeshadow from that palette and apply that just below the first shade that I put. Now for the shimmer shade or for the metallic shade, I used the Detail Makeover Metallics palette. I really love this palette too. This is highly pigmented and it has a lot of colors. As you can see, super blinding nung eyeshadow na to. And I'm also going to put the same eyeshadows that I put on my eyelids on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to apply a winged eyeliner using this Squad Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is not matte, it's kinda glossy, but don't worry, it's not too glossy. But what I like about this is that it's super black, as you can see. Now for eyebrows, I'm going to go for the bushy brow look, so I'm going to use an eyebrow soap for that. And I've been using that eyebrow soap for like 2 years na, kaya ang pangit niya na tignan. But afterwards, I'm going to fill my eyebrows in using my ever favorite 3W Clinic Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Dark Gray since ayoko nung super black na eyebrows and ayoko rin naman nung brown. So go for dark gray if you want that too. To clean the edges of my brows, I'm going to use the same concealer that I used a while ago and apply that using a flat brush. And we are done with the eyebrows. It's time to go back to the eyes. I'm just curling my lashes here and applying few coats of mascara. Nothing special with the mascara since mag-a-apply naman ako ng false eyelashes afterwards. And here I'm using the Gladking false eyelashes. This style is perfect for those who doesn't have a lot of eyelid space like me. And I'm also going to apply a white eyeliner on my lower waterline. And here I'm using the bronzer that I love. I just bought it, and it's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. My shade is Deep Bronzer. So if kakulay kita or medyo mas dark ka sa akin, get the Deep Bronzer shade kasi sobrang subtle lang ng bronzer na to. And I'm also contouring my nose para mas mukhang matangos ng ilong natin since hindi tayo binahayaan ng matangos na ilong. For nose contour, I like to connect it to my eyebrows para mas matangos tignan. And here I'm using the BLK Jelly Highlighter. Oh my god guys, you have to get it if you love blinding highlighters kasi sobrang blinding nito, but madali lang din siyang i-blend and a little goes a long way. For the lips, I'm going to go for the gradient lip effect, and I'm using this Focallure Velvet Lipstick. I'm using two shades, lighter pink and a dark red. Yung dark red sa inner part ko siya ilalagay, and i-blend ko lang siya using a brush to achieve the gradient lip effect. And here's how it looks like. And I'm going to set everything in place using a mist. And since we are done with the face, it's time to remove this curlers, and ayusin ko lang ng onti yung hair ko. Now I'm going to go back, so wait lang guys ah. And this is the final look guys. If you have an event to go to this 2022, this is a perfect makeup look for you. Or if gusto mo lang mag-photoshoot sa bahay, pampalit ng profile pic, pang TikTok, ganyan, go ahead and do this makeup look. So yun lang guys, Happy New Year! Bye-bye! Mwah!